how to log in to Discord using QR code. So if you want the QR code on Discord to log in, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your browser. Now, after opening your browser, you just need simply go with search, and here you need to search for Discord. After searching for Discord, you need to go with discord.com, www.discord.com, which will take you to the login page. Now here you need to go with login, which is on the top right. Once you search for Discord login, now you just need simply go with the login page. And once it takes you to the login page, here on the right side, you will have login with QR code. So you just need simply go with login with QR code and you will have the QR right here. So in order to log in to your Discord on your browser, you just need simply open up your mobile device and then scan this QR code. After scanning this QR code, then the account that you have on your mobile device will be transferred to your browser and you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can log into your Discord with the QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.